during the last 4 years ng season na to, na kung saan andun po yung critical time, no? Maraming negosyo ang bumigay. Pero our Iliwanag Rice Mill remains strong because of my land bank family. Naging malaking bahagi ang land bank sa our Iliwanag Rice Mill. Kasi nung pandemic time, andyan yung support ng land bank sa mga entrepreneur na katulad namin. Especially during the year 2021, no? Yung height ng COVID nung pandemic season na yon, talagang we need the support ng land bank. We can go on sa business namin. Ang land bank kasi hindi sila mahirap kausap. Kung ano ang narating namin ngayon, malaking factor doon ang syempre ang land bank. Kaya we are proud to be a member of land bank family. At yun po talaga ipinagmamalaki ko kahit kanino. At marami pong salamat.